Hi beauties, I'm back and I just wanted to come and do a real quick video on the unboxing of this Unice hair that I purchased. Unice, whatever. I believe it's Unice. It looks like it. So this is the actual box that it comes in, and I will open it up and show you some fake lashes. Yeah, they look real plastic. But so I don't need to see that. This is just a package slip or whatever saying what I ordered. I ordered it on the 31st of December at like 2 a.m. and I received it today. What is the day? The 5th? The 5th. And I ordered 122, 120, and 118. So there's the 22, there's the 20, and the 18. And I think the name of the curl is like Mongolian Curl or something. They didn't mark it on the package, so let's see if they have it inside. They mark it. Inside. So here it is out of the little thingy. And I don't have it marked on any of these label tags either. But anyway, I think it's called a Mongolian Curl. And I picked it because it was so pretty on the girl on the picture, which I'm pretty sure the shit ain't what pink is actually on the pictures. But it actually looked like it would be not that hard to blend my natural nappy naps with it. Because my hair is nappy, that's why I buy curly hair to easily blend it. So yeah, this is it, and I just want to come and give you guys like a little quick show of it straight out the pack. And I just purchased it, and I will be back for you beauties and let you see it after I have it installed. I'm going to the hairdresser Tuesday, so I'll have it installed then, and I'll come back with a video update for you guys. But it feels pretty nice, but you know how that goes. It feels nice. It's not shedding as I'm running my hands through it, but we'll see. Thank you. Hey beauties, I'm here. I'm back getting the Unice whatever hair installed. There's my girl is doing my hair. Oh, this is Linda. She does my sew-ins. I love it. Decided to go with a like side little part this time, just because I've been rocking the middle part for a while, and it's time to change up my leave out. So I'm liking this curl though. I'm liking it. Can't see how long it is right now, but it was a 22, a 20, and an 18. And I will be back with the finished product for you guys. So ladies, I'm back. This is the hair installed. Don't mind my leave out. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm not a hair girl, so it's hard for me. But anyway, so this is the hair. I just actually showered and wet it down really good, and it did curl back up because it was looking a mess. So this is it. I just wanted to come to and show you guys the Mongolian Curl from Unice. Okay, let me know what y'all think. Okay, guys, so I'm